Are you trying to uninstall a program on Windows, but getting a frustrating uninstall.exe not found error message? You're not alone. This can happen for a few reasons, but don't worry, there are ways to fix it. You can either open the File Explorer and reach the location of the application if you already know the installation directory. Otherwise, hit the Windows key and search for the app. Next, right-click the app and tap Open File Location. Usually, this transfers you to the location of the shortcut file in File Explorer. So, you must right-click that shortcut file and click the Open File Location once more from the context menu. This must take you to the actual root directory of that application. Use the search box to search for uninstall.exe, or just manually scroll down to find the uninstall.exe. After finding this, right-click the uninstall.exe and tap Run as Administrator to run it with the highest privileges. Start the process by holding the Win+R keys together. Write appwiz.cpl in the blank box. When you are finished, tap OK. This should relay directly to the Programs and Features page. Among the extensive list of all the programs present on your machine, look for the application you are interested in. Select that application and click Uninstall. In this process, we are going to delete the entire folder containing the app package. So, get to the installation directory by searching for the app. Or, you can find the app folder in any of these locations. C. Program Files, x86, C. Program Files. Just select the app folder and delete it from your computer. So, search for Registry from the search bar. Next, open the Registry Editor. Find any registry entries related to the application in these three main folders: HKey, Current, User-Owned Software, HKey, Local, Machine-Wum Software, Microsoft.Windows au current version, uninstall HKey, Local, Machine-Wum Software, HKey, Local, Machine-Wum Software, WOW 6432, Node. Locate the registry entry named after the application and delete it from there. Get the installer file from the main source of the application. After downloading the installer file, run it on your system. In the Setup page, choose the Uninstall option and click Next. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.